guys, welcome back to Rainy D's channel. I have some tea for you, okay? Guess who I got contacted by? Dr. Nassif himself. I'm pretty sure you guys all know him by the TV show Botched on E! I watch that show all the time, so does my mom, and I know so many other people do. That's probably where you know him from. But him and his team contacted me because he is coming out with a brand new skincare regimen that he wanted me to try out for you guys. My skin type is combo, so I'm normal on the outskirts of my face, and then I am super oily on the inside. I am a huge skincare fanatic, so I'm really picky with the stuff that I use. So today I'm going to be trying everything for you guys, giving you a first impressions, and we will definitely see how this goes because I want to know if it works too. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's get started. This is the entire package right here if you want to get it in a bundle. It's only $89 and actually that's really affordable for a 3-pack. It comes with a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer, and those are the 3 steps that you should at least be using every single night, especially if you're a makeup lover like me. So this is the first product we have up in the line. This is step 1. It is their cleanser, #GetWoke exfoliating cleanser and mask. So what it says in the back is it doesn't have a complicated regimen to have #pretty filter skin. Our genius 3-in-1 formula cleanses, masks, and exfoliates skin all in once. In minutes, our purifying clay cleansing mask dissolves makeup, oil, and cell buildup, which again, like I said, if you're a makeup wearer like I am, I definitely need something that dissolves the makeup, oil, and buildup because for me, I'm really prone to get white and blackheads right here just from all the makeup that I wear, and obviously makeup wipes don't take everything off. So, skin feels invigorated and imparts a smooth, poreless finish and healthy glow. The poreless finish I'm definitely gonna test out because I have a huge issue with pores right here. So let's see that claim. So if there's anybody who knows about skin, it is definitely Dr. Nassif. That is literally what he works with every single day. He knows how it recovers. He knows the limits that it can be pushed to. So he's definitely gonna know what's good and what's not for skincare. So it's definitely a brand that I feel as if I can trust, but we will see. First, we're gonna get our fingertips wet, moist, if we shall. And we're gonna put a little dab in our fingers. The consistency is very soft, but it's very thick. It smells like a little bit minty, but it doesn't have a artificial scent. So feeling it right now, it feels very thick, very like thick cream consistency, but I can feel the little balls inside, but they're super tiny, so you can't feel it like scratching you or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and we'll see how my skin feels after. All right guys, so I went ahead and took that off. Since it is a really thick consistency, I did have to rub in circular motions just to get it all off. You can definitely use this as a mask. It's very thick. It feels super soft. I definitely see that #pretty filter coming through. My pores do look a lot smaller. And the most important part is my face does not feel dry whatsoever. But I mean, the way that your skin looks, it looks not oily, but not matte. It's like the perfect in between to where it hides your pores, which, girl, I am impressed. So next we have the #AreWeClear Skin Refining Essence. This is a toner. What the claims are in the back is our detoxifying formula purifies skin, helping to stay clear and poreless. Again, I have issues with pores, so this is gonna be great for me. I'm pretty sure everyone has issues with pores, especially if you wear makeup a lot. A blend of exclusive power peptides, which are amazing for your skin, and nourishing plant extracts for clear skin and glow. So again, if you're like me and you are a makeup lover, that's literally everything you would want in a toner. But like I said, I hate toners and face washes that make my skin feel really dry. So we'll see if this does that. I am going to drop a couple of drops on this cotton pad. You can use a cotton round if you want to. I suggest that. This is just all I have right now. So it does come in like a green consistency. I don't know if you can see that. And it comes out very milky, which I like. I don't like toners that are too watery because I feel as if they don't go too long of a way, especially because you're putting it on cotton. Obviously this is gonna absorb most of the product, which is why I put a little bit more. The smell, again, just very fresh and minty, but it does feel really nice. This feels no burning sensation. It just feels very fresh. This is a vital step if you're a makeup wearer like me, because toner does tend to pull out the rest of the makeup that your makeup wipes or your face wash did not get. It turns like a little bit of a darker green in some places, but I actually don't have too much makeup on there, which is good. Okay, seriously, wow, wow, wow. My skin feels amazing. I'm gonna be honest, right now I'm using the Ole Henriksen oil control toner, and that toner is good, but like I said, after I use it, it makes me feel very tight, and I don't like that feeling. This feels like I already put moisturizer on. It's actually really amazing. This is honestly the best feeling that I've gotten after a toner so far. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go into step 3, the last step in the hashtag Fresh Start Kit. This is the hashtag You Feel Me Hydro Cream Moisturizer. A potent hydro cream moisturizer that restores your complexion, perfect with the power blend of proprietary peptides and an advanced moisture delivery system. It also says that it is for drab, tired, and red skin, which red skin is definitely what I look for in a moisturizer, something that's calming, because like I said, after touching it, after rubbing it, it does turn red. I'm very sensitive. So the smell is a very like natural smell. It smells like natural minty almost. The consistency is very thick, which is probably why it's called a hydro cream. This is how I usually put my moisturizer on, and I just rub it in. Ooh, this texture. It's a hydro cream, which makes sense as to why the consistency is a lot thicker. Creams are usually thicker than moisturizers. This seems to be a hybrid from the name, and I can definitely vouch for it being a hybrid. It feels thick and moisturizing, but it doesn't feel too heavy to the point where it would clog your pores. Wow. The smell doesn't linger for too long. Like, I can't smell it anymore. So that's good, because it wasn't like the best smelling. And then I just go ahead and like pat in the excess. But wow guys, my skin feels actually really good. All right, so let's take a look at my skin. Let you know the tea. Wow. Okay, so obviously I have a couple of blemishes here, 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 and here. Why are they all on the left side of my face? I have no idea. But the first thing that I can say right off the bat, I know that this doesn't claim, well, the toner does claim for breakouts, but my blemishes are not really red, which is really good. Like I told you, my skin is very, very sensitive, especially to touch and products. my skin is actually not red whatsoever. My pores look amazing. I would definitely recommend it for makeup wearers. Sometimes even after I use my face washes and toners, I have to go in with a mask because I still have a lot of buildup. I don't see that, which is amazing. I will say these 3 products for $89 is actually not bad at all. And Dr. Nassif is actually giving you guys a promotion right now. For your first purchase, you get 20% off. So with 20% off, I would definitely recommend getting the entire set. Like I said, these are the 3 minimum things that you need for your skincare regimen on the daily. So at least pick these 3 things up. Like I said, if you're a makeup wearer like me, it definitely made a difference in my skin. And it doesn't leave you super oily, but it doesn't leave you dry either. It almost makes your skin just normal, which is amazing. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. So that way it doesn't affect my makeup after. Don't forget that you can definitely use my code. It will be linked down below in the description box. I think it would be perfect for combo skin. To be honest, I think it would be perfect for any skin type because like I said, I didn't get any tightness or dryness in my skin using any of the products, so that's actually really amazing. But it is definitely replacing my Ole Henriksen skincare that I have right now. Sorry to say, but this skincare did make a huge noticeable difference within only 2 washes, which is actually very quick for skincare to kind of actually give you a noticeable difference. So definitely recommend. Also, don't forget to use my link in the description box with code GETASIF for 20% off your first purchase. So yeah, guys, that's my opinion. That is my approval if you want it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.